So here was the second sign that I had an installation problem. The first sign, the number one sign, was a big puddle in the hallway.
Leak out here. Craziness to get in here. Yeah, the bottom one. Yeah. Snow can get in here.
Seeing the video, I could see that it's cross-threaded, and that's probably what damaged the hose. Also, pulling it out, I didn't want to pull out the dryer
Too
vent.
far, I won't be able to get it in.
Yeah, I was trying to avoid pulling it out because this one, the dryer vent, is real tight up against the side, and so it's very tricky. You have to angle it a certain way in order to pull it out. It's not easy to do without damaging the dryer hose, but this one wound up needing to, and probably a good thing because that thing seemed like it was set wrong. It's cross-threaded.
Nope. I can't see once I'm back there.
A lot of sharp edges there to get in there, and also just a bad angle with that bar right there. It's a good idea to put a rag over that bar. That way, if you lean on it, you don't get slices and stuff all up and down your arms. That's what I should have done, but
No.
bad.
Maybe no gasket.
Maybe not, huh? Hi. Okay.
Be out.
Water's closed. Gasket or pinch or something. Crazy. If not, I need to run and get a gasket, huh?
Maybe not.
Maybe. Let's see.
Oh yeah, gasket.
Is gasket?
Yeah.
And what the heck? Why is leak?
At this point, I still
Crack
hadn't
it?
noticed that it had been cross-threaded.
Crack and,
It was
yeah.
much clearer in the video than it was actually being there. It's the way it is sometimes.
Or maybe just not tight, huh? I don't know. Okay, we'll try. Hi.
We were super busy with a ton of things to get done.
This is no bueno.
Yeah, maybe the
Plastic?
valve. Yeah. We'll try. Let's just try it and see.
No,
No crack, huh?
no,
Okay.
no. Teflon?
No, no.
No.
I don't think so. It's usually the gasket seals it.
Yeah.
Maybe it just wasn't tightened on and I didn't have a good angle there.
I know. And then put for angle.
Yeah, I know it's tricky. Yeah.
No.
Can't have those cross
Force,
threaded, huh? Yeah. Maybe it was cross-threaded, huh? Yeah.
Angle.
Uy.
No, bueno. Es que como que lo metieron chueco. Como esta madre es de plástico. Sí, es lo que lo voy a decir. Quita esa parte.
Hopefully. Here's the testing. Turn the water back on.
No,
No? Leaking?
leaking.
Oh, yeah. Come further in?
Oh no, this is for the horse.
For the hose. Okay.
Yeah, for the horse.
Okay. Bad hose?
Yeah, it's bad horse.
Okay.
This is in the
Hose. Just some of the things you run into with bad hose. But better than a bad valve. It still remains to be proved out. Here's the gaskets. Yeah.
This is the for the semi.
Yeah. Looks like it was bad, huh?
For the gasket is okay.
Compare this one. Yep. Alright. Maybe you'll save the gasket and throw the hose.
Yeah.
New hose. Hoping. Hopefully he wasn't cross-threaded and otherwise then the next thing is wrapped in Teflon tape if we have to, but shouldn't need it on a compression, this type of compression fitting. These should only be quarter turn past height and then check for leaks. This plastic valve. Crazy and crazy busy, but you gotta do what you gotta do to take the time to make each one job correct. Otherwise, it's only gonna cost more time. Only a quarter turn past height. And now the test. Here's hoping.
Yeah.
It's good?
Good.
Nice.
Very good.
Alright. Thank God.
Fix the problem.
Trying to rotate the thing back without puncturing the dryer vent is insane. These areas not really enough room, so it's crazy. Just enough room. Ready?
Right.
Nice and easy. And guide this part in.
Now.
If it's a little wet, it might slide from the. Good. Okay. More this way. Okay. What? Oh.
Now, for the horse's armor?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Ready?
Yep. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. To prevent bending this one's already bent. You can only push on these sides. Otherwise it'll bend the darn thing in the center and you'll be in for the mess that I'm in for here. And I gotta have a talk with the renovation installer about that. But yeah, there it is. And very good, very crazy. So we'll set this back, and then we're going to run the dryer and make sure we have no tears, no holes, no air leaks. That's a crazy one.
My friend is resetting the control panel there.
Yep. And I got to figure out a way to bend that back, either take the lid off and step on it, or. But so now we're going to test the dryer, and yeah, no air leaks. That's unbelievable. But it's good. If you had any suspicion, you can take like a $1 bill and hold it up on the corner and make sure there's no air. I've got no airflow, so that's great. Not an arrow. Oh yeah. It's all good. Now leaks. Now for leaks. Yay.
And the next order of business is to figure out a way to bend this thing out, but it's coming soon on Kung Fu Maintenance. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.